divide 641 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 4 and 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 1 and 2 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 641 divided by 2 is 320 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.